Hi guys, Angie from 3B back again to uh, introduce you to all your patient comfort settings on the Luna G3 model. So this is our newest platform and it's got a couple different settings for you. We are going to actually look at the screen on the left. First thing when you turn your machine or when you plug your machine on, you're going to see that preheat option. That you can go ahead and preheat your water about 30 minutes before you hop in bed. So all the air coming from your heated humidifier is nice and warm and moist for you. The accessory reminder is a cool new option. It's going to allow you to preset a countdown for when you need new accessories. The knob and home button are a little bit different on this platform. To get out of any menu, you're going to go ahead and just hit that home button. Your mask option here is optimized for 3B mask. So if you have a 3B nasal mask, nasal pillow, or full face mask, you can go ahead and use that and it will give you some incremental kind of options for making sure that the leak is changed a little bit and geared towards your particular mask. This reporting section is pretty cool. You have an on-screen usage summary that you can view, and you can even change the date range. If you want to take a look and see what your compliance looks like, you can do that right on screen on the device. Pressing the home button, if you move over into this QR code and QR code plus, so that QR code plus is going to work with our new app. That app is on both the Android platform and the iPhone platform. You can download it. It is 3B Mask Fit. That has a couple options. You can go on there and it will help you kind of narrow down an optimal mask for how you sleep and the shape of your face. The other option is you can scan this QR code and get a report right to your phone. That report will also upload into your medical equipment company's database where they keep your compliance information. And then as usual, pushing that home button will get you back to home. These iCodes, so this 16-digit string of numbers is also going to hold your usage data the same as the QR code. If your medical equipment company ever calls you and is looking for that string of numbers, that's where you access it. And you can give that to them and they can actually do a download over the phone based on that. We're going to press home twice to get back to our home screen and going into that settings menu. So lots of new options here for G3 users. The heated tubing is integrated in this model. So once you have one connected, you will be able to go ahead in there and change your different heat settings with it. And it's great. It works in conjunction with this heated humidifier to kind of optimize your moisture levels. Your ramp time, if you have the ability to change it based on your prescription, you can go to that ramp time and increase and decrease just depending on your sleep habits. You can even change tubing type. Standard tubing that comes with the device is 22 millimeter. You have the ability to change this to a slimline tubing if that's what you're using. You can access that accessories reminder from this screen. This delay is an option to have the machine running for about 10-15 minutes after you're done with your night's therapy. If you choose to turn that on, it's going to blow at a really low level without the humidifier on, just to make sure that whole circuit is nice and dry on the inside. You can change your screen brightness. There is a standby and a work screensaver. You can set that and that will be a clock. So if you also have a bedside clock, this can replace that as well. Backlight is just the light that we have on the screen now that's allowing you to view your options. Please do not change your time and date. That is how your medical equipment company is basing your compliance reporting on. So if you change it, it could kind of mess up that compliance for you. And then, they'll have to go back and change everything back. You're going to see your use time here on screen, and then this about section. This about section you shouldn't have to do too much with, but this is just all the information about your device, the serial number, your software, your module for your integrated cell or Wi-Fi modem. Um, and then pressing home will get you back out of all of these screens and back to the start where you can start your therapy. Thanks a lot for viewing, guys.